a giant, prehistoric-looking bird, a shoebill. Standing well over a metre tall, she roams these swamps, trying to catch catfish. Not exactly what she was after. Deeper into the swamp lies the reason for all this fishing. This chick is just 3 weeks old and a little bit wobbly on its feet. Its vast bill means it has trouble balancing. It won't be able to fly or even walk properly for several weeks. It's entirely reliant on its parents for food and water. There is also a smaller chick who isn't doing so well. The larger chick pesters its mother for a drink. While she goes off to fetch water, it reveals a dark side to the relationship with its nestmate. It's 3 days older than the other chick and has always won the race for food and attention. This is more than just a scrap between two siblings. As their mother returns, she sees what the larger chick has done. The smaller chick seeks its mother's comfort, but she has already made her choice. Only her firstborn will get a drink. Shoebills very rarely raise more than one chick. The younger chick was only ever an insurance in case the elder didn't make it.